Hey guys, so it is once again another windy day. I don't think it's really as windy as it was yesterday, but it's still a nice little breezy day. It's still morning outside. Looks like there might be more thunderstorms today. We got that big one yesterday. That was like a cold front / thunderstorm. It's actually a nice little breezy morning right now. It's around I think it's probably around a little after 10 right now a.m. in my area, or in Texas right now. So here's these, and then that one up there. This one I'm starting to sound clangy. I think something's making a nest inside of these tubes. I don't know. I don't really care as much for this one, but it's fine. Alright guys, I went inside to go grab my Crocs real quick because I'm gonna go back over here into the back where my Amazon harmonic wind chime is. I put it on an extender hook back there. I'm gonna I'm gonna go back there real quick just to check on it. Here's these. Yeah, it looks like there's some dark clouds over that way. Oh, my Amazon harmonic wind chime is going nuts up back here. I moved its spot because it was just on that little property line hook. But I just hung it in the pecan tree back here. Here's the 2 big oak trees. All right, there it is, right over there. It gets really windy back here. You can tell. I hung on this hook up here, so. Lots of wind in this spot. A second ago when I was first walking up here, it was banging. Hopefully the rope doesn't break. It doesn't snap. Oh, there's a big gust coming. You can tell that the wind's really blowing because of the way the water's flowing. Oh shoot. need to fix this real quick. Set my camera down real quick. Okay, well, it's fixed now. Yeah, I told you guys, this wind chime gets lots of wind back here. Hopefully it doesn't bother any of our neighbors behind the bayou. Because, like, I don't know if they can even hear it. I mean, this wind chime is really loud, so they probably are able to hear it, but it probably doesn't sound too bad. There's some marks on the tube from it hitting this. I originally had it hanging on the property line right there, but I just moved it. Oh, my Music of the Spheres wind chimes are going nuts over there. I can like barely see them. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave this wind chime and go back up to the house. I think the wind's starting to cool down back here. Oh, I say that, there's another big gust coming. Yeah, that's fine, I'll just leave it. I'm probably gonna go to the barn now. The wind, I guess the wind's taking a break right now. It should probably be back blowing in a minute. Like up here real quick. Oh my gosh. Still got this one right here. I don't really know what to do with it. It's all broken now. So. The Natural Melody birdcage chime is still. There's these. That one's blowing a little bit. This one. I guess there's another big wind gust coming. I'm gonna go back up to the back porch. Oh, there's a big wind gust coming. This thing is starting to rust really badly, and the tubes are too, but... And, oh, there's a big wind gust coming. Oh shoot, here it comes. I might try hanging some wind chimes on these higher branches. I just don't know if I have a ladder tall enough to reach up there. I thought there was a big wind gust. Oh shoot, here it comes. Never mind, that wasn't a big wind gust at all. Yeah, the usual wind pattern, the wind comes this way, but... I remember back in November, we had like a really bad cold front. The wind gusts were like, there was like 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I made a video of my Amazon Memorial wind chime going nuts when it used to hang in the oak tree up front. I made a video of it going insane in those winds. Yeah, it was going nuts. It was like flying all over the place, and yeah, and those trees over there, my neighbor's oak trees were going nuts. Okay guys, so I think the wind's starting to cool down some though, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just stop the video because it's just for storage reasons, because my storage is starting to get really full. So I've been deleting stuff lately, it's not been helping, and I might end up having just to like, I might try downloading one of those like apps that like those like clean your storage space apps, like it like instantly like deletes duplicate photos and stuff like that. So, and saves just one. Oh, hold on, there's one more big wind gust and then I'll stop the video. I'm just trying to save storage. Oh, I thought there was a big wind gust. Oh, here it is. I keep thinking that all these are big wind gusts and none of them are. It's kind of annoying. Okay guys, well I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, so yeah, thanks for watching.